Hey guys, welcome to Truly Math. So I'll be working out this further math past question, and I would like you to learn. So let's start from the first question. This is a very simple question of we just need to cross multiply so that we're going to have 2 into 8d minus 3 is equals to 5 into 3d minus 7. This is going to be 16d minus 6, which is equals to 15d minus 35. Then we collect like terms, so that this is going to be 16d minus 15d. Okay, that is this moving over to this side. All right. Then minus 6 moving to this side becomes minus 35 plus 6. So this is going to be d is equals to minus 29. So this is minus 29 as our answer. Let's quickly move to the second question. It says the first four terms of a linear sequence. We have 15, we have this, and this. So how do we now get to work out this expression? Now, the nth term of a series like this can actually have an expression, but what type of sequence is this? If you check it, this is a linear sequence. Okay, we call it AP, which is arithmetic progression. So what we need to do in this is to understand that Tn in an arithmetic progression is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Now what you are asked to look for is the nth term, which is Tn. So Tn is the nth term. Now I need to find my A and my D. A is the first term. A is T1 and is also called the first term. Now in this case, A is equals to 15. So I need to get my D. Now my D is what we call the common difference. D is common difference. Okay, and how do we get it is by saying T2 minus T1, which is the same thing as saying T3 minus T2. It's actually consistent. So if you check it in this case, we can just say 18.5 minus 15, which is 3.5. So I've gotten this expression ready. So therefore I can now have my Tn is equals to 15 plus n minus 1, because of course it's in terms of n that we're going to get it. Then we have 3.5 here. Okay, so this Tn will now be equals to 15 plus 3.5n minus 3.5. So 15 minus 3.5 is going to be 11.5, then plus 3.5n. Okay, so this is the expression for the nth term. Then let's move quickly to this. Okay, the question says a different linear sequence has nth term to be this. So they're telling us that Tn is equals to 318 minus 9n. Now we are asked to work out the value of the first negative term of the sequence. Now, the first negative, this is very important, negative, meaning that Tn must be actually less than 0 to be negative. So all we have now is to say that Tn, which is equals to 318 minus 9n, is actually less than 0. So therefore, we have 318 is less than 9n. So we divide both side by 9. Okay. And we are going to have that 35.33 is actually less than n. So if we have this means that n must be actually greater than 35.33. So you see, n as an integer could start from 36, 37, 38, and so on. So remember, it says the first, okay, negative. So the value n must be equal to 36. Okay, so it is T36 that will give us the first negative. So it is very important that we take note of that. Okay, question 3, we have this is a question under matrices. Okay, now from my previous video, I've showed you how to multiply matrices. This is 3, 5, U, and 2. Okay, it's a 2 by 2 matrix multiplying this 1 by 4. Okay, and the answer is T 6. Okay, now how do we multiply this? Let me show you. Remember, I told you in my previous video that this multiplication is done in a row by column thing. So we'll pick this row, which is going to be 3, 5. We'll pick the second row, which is U and 2. Then this is just 1, 4. At least we are picking the column now. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then plus 5 times 4 is 20. U times 1 is U, plus we have 8. All right, so the answer to this will now be equals to 23 and U plus 8. This is what we have. Now the implication is this, that this must be equals to T and 6. So if you check by comparison, you can see that my T is already 23. So I've gotten that. Then I have U plus 8 must be equals to 6, so that U is equals to 6 minus 8. So U must be equals to minus 2. So I have my answers to be 23 and minus 2. All right, good. Now, the fourth question will be done in the next video. Thank you for watching, and make sure you keep following to see the conclusion or the solution to the whole question. So thank you so much. Make sure you stay glued. Okay, subscribe, like my channel, and pass your comments.